Alright, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Ali Farhan bin Khairul Nazaruddin. My metric number is 300656. Okay, I will present question number A, which is calculate the contribution margin per unit and the contribution margin ratio. The default contribution margin per unit is a sales price per unit minus variable cost per unit, which is we can see the sales price per unit that states on the selling price is RM30 ringgit. So the variable cost per unit is RM10 ringgit and 10% of selling price, which is 3 ringgit. The total of the variable cost is 13 ringgit. RM30 ringgit minus 13 ringgit is 70 ringgit. Contribution margin per unit is 70 ringgit. For contribution margin ratio is the sales minus variable cost divide by sales. Itu boleh we can see that RM30 ringgit is the selling price minus multiply 200 unit because it say that expected sales volume to 50 to 200 piece. So we need to take one volume from 50 to 200. So I choose 200 unit and then minus 13 ringgit variable cost and then multiply 200 unit divide by sales. So the sale is RM 6,000. The variable cost is 2,600 and divide by sales RM 6,000. So the contribution margin ratio is 56.67% or 57%.
Hi, my name is Valerie Abigail Lister, and my matrix number is 307,798. And today I would like to present the question B, which is the break-even point in unit and sale revenue. So the first calculation is I wanted to calculate the total fixed cost. So I will add up all the fixed costs, which is the booth rental, 500 ringgit, marketing material 200 ringgit, and the staffing 300 ringgit. So the total fixed cost would be 1,000. So the second, I would like to calculate the break-even point in units. So I will like to add the fixed cost that I just calculate just now, and uh, and divide it with contribution margin per unit. So 1,000 divided by 300 ringgit minus 30 ringgit, which is the selling point, 10 ringgit plus the 3 ringgit commission. So equal to 1,000 divided by 70 ringgit. So it equal to 58.82 unit, but I round it off into 59 unit. So the third one would be break-even point in sale revenue. So break-even point in sale revenue, I will calculate it with break-even point in unit. Break-even point with unit. Break-even point unit. Kejap break-even point with unit. Darab selling price per unit. So it will be 1,000 ringgit and 770 ringgit. So this is the CVP graph. So as you can see down there, the straight line, it represents the fixed cost that I just calculate just now, which is the 1,700 ringgit 70. And then as you can see right here, it starts from the 59 unit until uh it is below 1,800 ringgit, because it represents 1,770 ringgit. And then as you can see, the color of the graph that I just lined up with the pink color, this is the total loss. And then the upper one is the total profit that we will get. That's all.
Okay, hi. My name is Wan Auni Inani bin Designer and my metric number is 297387. Okay, I will explain about the next question. It's about unity, analyze the sensitivity of profit to change in sale volume. Okay, for this part, it's about uh, comparison between 50 pieces and 200 pieces. If first we use the formulas profit, selling price minus variable cost and minus fixed cost. And for the 50 pieces, we will get negative 150 ringgit after we use the formula. And for 200 pieces, we will get 2,400 ringgit Malaysian. And based on that, we will make a comparison between the which 2400 minus negative 150 and we will get 2550. And based on the analysis, the sensitivity of profit change the sale volume insignificant because we can see that the amount of 50 pieces and 200 pieces is really uh, we say significant. and and the sale volume when 200 pieces result an increase in profit. So that's why the more high you sell, the more profit you will get. Okay, I think that's all from me. Thank you.
Okey, dengar tak? My name is Muhammad Nofil bin Zakaria. My matric number is 298483. I will present about, based on your analysis, provide a recommendation on whether the company should participate in the sales carnival and justify your decision. Firstly, based on the break-even point analysis, the company needs to participate in the sales carnival. This is because the company's break-even point is 59 units of jewelry, meaning the company needs to sell 59 units to cover all fixed and variable costs. This break-even point indicates the minimum sales volume required to avoid a loss, since the expected sales volume is between 50 to 200 units. Then to achieve a sale volume of 59 units is not a difficult thing for the company. Apart from that, the profit potential increase significantly with higher sales volume. For example, selling 50 units will generate a profit of negative RM 150 and selling 200 units will generate a profit of RM 2400. This profit potential justified the investment in fixed and variable costs to enable the company to participate in the carnival. So that's all.
Okay, for the final part, I will be presenting. My name is Lavanya, daughter of Yogeshwaran, and my metric number is 295997. Okay, in this scenario, the question is asking us how many units should be sold if the company wants the profit of 10,000 ringgit. Okay, as we have covered in the syllabus, which is in chapter 7, under the unit required for target profit, we are going to use the formula of fixed cost plus target unit, where I have described here as described profit plus fixed cost, and we need to divide this with unit contribution margin. Okay, so our target profit is 10,000 ringgit and fixed cost as stated in the question as as mentioned in the question is 1,000 ringgit, and contribution margin per unit as calculated as in the question A is 17 ringgit. So when we add 10,000 and 1,000, it will be equivalent to 11,000, and we divide that with 17 ringgit, which is the contribution margin per unit, we will get the value of 647.05 unit. Since this is calculated in units, I have rounded it down. So my final answer is 647 units should be sold in order to get profit of 10,000 ringgit. So that's it for our assignment. Thank you.